各位聽眾大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設。我係你哋嘅主持。今日我哋會傾一個科技界嘅熱門話題。NVIDIA 最近喺 CES 公布咗佢哋最新嘅 Vera Rubin AI 運算平台。可能你會問咩係 CES？CES 就係國際消費電子展，全球最大嘅科技盛會之一。好多重要嘅新產品都會喺嗰度發佈。今年喺 CES CEO 黃仁勳張新煌形容呢一個係 AI 性能同效率方面嘅一大步，而且已經全面投產。首先我哋總結一下呢單新聞。Vera Rubin 平台唔係單一晶片，而係一個由多種晶片組成嘅全新 AI 架構。佢嘅目標好清晰，就係為 AI 訓練同埋稍後會學到嘅一個詞 inference 提供更高性能同更低成本。簡單嚟講，即係又快又抵用。呢個平台將 GPU、CPU 同埋網絡組件整合成為一個機架規模嘅強大系統，好似將一個超級大腦嘅唔同部分完美結合。市場預計到年底，好似 Amazon AWS、Microsoft Azure 呢一啲主要嘅雲端服務同 AI 供應商都會開始採用。咁當然 NVIDIA 唔係冇對手。AMD 同埋各大雲端供應商自己都喺度開發緊替代嘅 AI 硬件方案，競爭非常激烈。對於亞洲嘅科技生態圈嚟講，呢種技術進步意味住更多創新嘅可能性，亦都要求企業要跟上呢個步伐。NVIDIA 嘅 CEO 黃仁勳喺演講中強調，算力嘅提升速度已經超越咗摩爾定律，而 Vera Rubin 平台正正係呢個趨勢嘅體現。佢唔單止係硬件嘅升級，更加係一個軟件同硬件結合嘅生態系統，目的係要降低運行大型語言模型嘅成本，令 AI 更加普及。呢個發佈亦都即時影響咗 NVIDIA 嘅股價同埋佢嘅競爭對手，例如 AMD 同 Intel 嘅市場策略。我哋今日除咗會學到關鍵詞彙，亦都會深入探討呢啲技術發佈對商業世界嘅實際影響。好，了解完背景之後，就到我哋嘅重點環節詞彙學習。今日我哋會學5個同呢一單新聞相關嘅實用商業科技英文詞彙。第一個字係 AI Platform。AI Platform 中文意思係人工智能平台。呢個唔係指單一軟件，而係一套完整嘅工具同框架，俾開發人員用嚟建立、訓練同部署 AI 模型。喺商業討論中，當你講緊一個全面嘅 AI 解決方案，而唔係單一組件時，就會用到呢一個詞。例句 ：Our company is migrating to a new AI platform to streamline development。第二個字係 inference。inference 中文係推理。喺 AI 領域，呢個詞指嘅係利用一個已經訓練好嘅模型，去根據新嘅實時數據做出預測或決定。例如，當你用 ChatGPT 問問題，佢產生答案嘅過程就係 inference。喺商業上，我哋會講 inference speed 或者 inference cost， 用嚟衡量 AI 模型嘅效率。例句 ：The new chip is optimized for fast AI inference, enabling real-time applications。第三個字係 data center。Data center 就係數據中心，呢個係一個實體設施，用嚟存放大量伺服器、儲存裝置同網絡設備。所有雲端服務網站嘅背後都係由 data center 支撐。喺討論公司嘅 IT 基礎設施或者擴展計劃時，呢個詞好常用。例句 ：We are planning to expand our data center capacity next year。第四個字係 cloud computing。Cloud computing 雲端運算。意思係透過互聯網去使用運算資源，而唔需要喺自己公司內部建立同維護 data center。呢個係現代商業嘅基礎。當你講緊 scalability 擴展性同 cost efficiency 成本效益，一定會提到 cloud computing。例句 ：Our startup relies heavily on cloud computing to scale our services。第五個字係 AI supercomputer。AI supercomputer 人工智能超級電腦。呢個唔係普通電腦，係專為運行極之複雜嘅 AI 任務而設計嘅高性能運算系統。NVIDIA 嘅 Vera Rubin 平台就可以被視為一個 AI supercomputer。喺討論大規模 AI 訓練或者國家級項目時，就會用到呢一個詞。例句 ：Building an AI supercomputer requires immense investment in both hardware and cooling。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。
Hey Tina, did you see the NVIDIA news from CES?
Oh, the Vera Rubin announcement? Yeah, my entire newsfeed is flooded with it. Sounds like a big deal.
They're saying it's more than just a new chip. It's an entire AI platform. From what I understand, it's like a full system. Not just hardware, but everything working together, so companies can run AI more efficiently.
Got it. I also saw the word inference mentioned a lot. Is that just about how AI gives answers?
Yeah, exactly. It's when the AI uses what it's learned to make predictions or decisions in real time.
Interesting. But I'm guessing this kind of setup would be way too expensive for us to run in our own data center.
Probably. But most companies won't buy it directly. They'll probably access it through cloud computing instead.
So basically, the cloud providers handle the heavy lifting, and we just use it when we need it?
That's the idea. In a way, it's like using a very powerful AI supercomputer without owning one.
That actually makes it feel a lot more practical. I can see why businesses are paying attention. 好，我哋快速重溫今日學嘅5個詞：AI Platform Inference、Data Center、Cloud Computing and AI Supercomputer。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感。不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入邊試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。